You said what, Miss Amy? Oh, wow, that makes me feel good. Never thought they would have looked this great. And especially going after a bad, not a good experience 5 years ago.
Horrible.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Yep. Well, I'm glad that we was able to take care of you, and I'm glad that you're happy.
I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Okay, Matthew.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is May the 6th. We are out here in Château Élan, Braselton, Georgia. We are starting a huge project with one of my network partners, Mr. Reggie Williams. He's the owner of Floor and Makeovers. And what we got going today, this client, I came highly recommended from some of the neighbors in the Château Élan community. She said, Courtney, I had 4 other companies come out, and she told me, she said, I don't know what it is, but I just love your professionalism. So I came out here about 2 weeks ago. She had her floors done about 5 years ago. She said, Courtney, they did a horrible job, which they did, a lot of chatter marks. Probably didn't use the best polyurethane. And what we're gonna do, guys, is totally remake these wood floors. We're doing a full sanding, about 2,800 square feet, and also some stairs. And the guys might even come back after this project is over and do her handrails, all right? So our original, again, he's the owner of Floor Makeovers. I do not sand floors, but I do have guys that I network with. Actually, one of my other network partners, Aaron, is starting a sanding job for me on Monday. So the way we work, guys, we work together where they come in, do the sanding, the staining, because she wants to stain her floor, and then we come in on the back end, do the recoating and the UV curing, because I'm the only company that does that. And that was one of her, Miss Jamie's, #1 top selling points of my company, was the UV curing. So because even after the polyurethane, you still got to wait 4 or 5 days to put the furniture back. But once they get that last coat on, which is the rad coat, which I had to place a huge order for this job, I come in the same day, that afternoon or the next morning, and UV cure it. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in the Château Élan community. Also, thank you, Château Élan, for recommending me to Jamie and also previous other clients. So this is Reginald. Reginald not only sands floors, him and his team, he also sells floors, all right? And me, when he's just not a network, he's a friend. Me and Reginald have probably been knowing each other for about 12 years. And I supply the finish for these jobs. They just do the labor. So that's Mr. Reginald right there. I'm introducing you to YouTube, Reginald.
What's going on, YouTube?
All right, so he's the owner of Floor Makeovers, and what we're going to be doing, guys, is all these floors. As you can see, this is totally different equipment for what I use. This is a drum sander. So this is going to sand the floor all the way down. They have the sandpaper rolls, what is this called? Belt. They're belt sandpaper. So again, guys, this is a totally different process from screening. Screening is our famous one-day recoat system, but this is going to be a full sanding, 2,800 square feet, flight of stairs, and like I said, they might come back and do the handrails. So this is going to do a walkthrough, guys. I'm also going to we have a job today. I do have a one-day recoat today in Roswell. Christian, who also moved the furniture for this client, he's also in Roswell moving furniture for the job I'm about to head to now after this. So I just stopped by to get some videos, pictures, show you the floors. So we're doing all of this, 2 levels. This room right here. Guys, if you look at her floors, chatter mark city. What I mean, there are so many chatter marks in this floor. That's poor equipment. It was bouncing while it was sanding the floor, and it left all these chatter. So if you look at your floor from an angle and it looks wavy, that's a poor sanding job. Okay, here, see all these, you know what I'm saying? You guys see all these waves? So today they're gonna flatten all of that out. So you got this hallway. Hey, Reginald, just educating YouTube about chatter marks. When you constantly see a consistent pattern of chatter marks, is that usually because of poor equipment?
It's not really the equipment, it's just sometimes the equipment isn't balanced.
It's a balance.
It's like your car. If your tire's unbalanced, how your
Oh, okay.
Same thing with the equipment. If it's not balanced and level, it'll hit.
So that's poor maintenance. They're not keeping it maintained.
Exactly.
Okay.
And sometimes it could be when they drop anytime you drop that drum, that machine needs to be in motion.
It needs to be in motion.
So if they drop it and it's standing still, that will also cause a chatter mark.
Gotcha.
So
Okay. Okay, I can't. That's all you see her floor chatter marks everywhere. All right, guys. So you see all these channel marks? So these are Reggie's employees. So you can see they're taping off everything. And I will say, guys, that equipment that I showed you, it's 99% dust free, but they still gonna take stuff off. We also got all of this right here, her kitchen, okay. And then going through here, got some water damage right here. She has pets. I think she has 7 dogs. And then Miss Jamie is in there, the masters. So anyway, guys, I'm just kind of just showing you guys the process. I'm going to get some videos here and there. And then tomorrow, I'm going to stop by tomorrow on my way to Cummings. I have a job tomorrow in Cummings, a small wax removal and granite countertop. So Reggie, again, him and his guys are getting set up to start this sanding process. I'm going to come in on the back end. This job is probably going to take about maybe 5 to 7 days. And then once they get that last coat down, which is the rag coat, that's when I'm going to come in and do the UV curing. So we're working together. So again, this is my project, but me and Reginald, he's my project manager for this job. Aaron, like I said, he's doing a small one in Norcross, which was also highly recommended. Someone found me on YouTube and recommended me to the clients. They moved into Georgia and gave them a consultation. Aaron's going to sand their floors Monday. It's like 650 square feet UV cure, but they're going natural. They're not going to stain it. So that job should take him only 2 days. All right, guys, just keep you in the loop, showing you what's going on. All right, I'm about to head to Roswell. So probably about a good hour 15-minute drive. Look at that, guys. See those lines? Horrible staining job. Horrible staining job right there. And also, again, shout out to my guys, Christian. Moved the furniture, wrapped all the furniture, put it in the garage. And they did this yesterday. It took them about 3 hours. All right, guys. See you in the next one.
Courtney Lee.
Truman.
Hardwood hitman. Boom. Another floor save. They said the floor was dead, couldn't nobody fix it. Boards all faded out, scratches look wicked. Contractors walked away, homeowner stressed. Then Courtney Lee pulled up, Truman on the vest. Buffer in the trunk, UV in the back. One day finish system, yeah, we bringing life back. Hickman with the grain, assassin with the stain. Walk inside the house and make the whole floor sing. China strings playing while the roller glides slow. Blue lights flashing when the UV machine glow. Whole city watching YouTube worldwide. Atlanta flow king, got the internet live.
Hardwood hitman.
Coming out the shadows.
Hardwood hitman.
Say the flow tomorrow.
Courtney Lee.
Name known worldwide. Truman one day, yeah, the system outside.
Hardwood hitman.
One shot, one kill, bring the wood back alive. That Truman touch real. Buckhead penthouses, condos on the rise. Historic homes too, yeah, the grain still survive. Everybody else quit, said the job too gone. Then Truman stepped in like turn the cameras on. Satin finish glowing like a Cadillac chrome. Same day, move back, people back home. Gunshots, snares hit, gospel choir sing. Wood floor, maintenance, king. Courtney Lee, hardwood assassin. To across the globe, YouTube sensation. Truman hardwood floor. unfinished.
All right, guys, happy Tuesday. Today is May the 12th. We are wrapping up a job that was referred to me again by the Château Élan community. This is the home residence of Miss Jamie. As you guys see before, her floors were stained dark. She had got a really bad job years ago, about 5 years ago. And I came in here about 3 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. And she said, Courtney, the reason why I chose you over the other 3 contractors, she said, first, your professionalism, the way you explain things. Also, 2, she said, my videos. And number 3, guys, the UV curing. She said, you were the only company that offered the UV curing, so the furniture can move back on the floors immediately after you guys were done. So the sanding guys actually worked over the weekend. So they, instead of being done this Thursday, they just went on to work this weekend, and we just got through UV curing the floors, guys. As you can see, her floors were stained before. She wanted to go natural, and these floors came out amazing, amazing. And so again, guys, we are wrapping up. That's Miss Jamie right there. Christian them, my furniture moving guys, and what we did, we just kind of bundled everything in one, so she didn't have to. And there's a lot of my clients, they don't want like going through different people. So again, I had my sanding crew, Reggie and his crew, come out to sand the floors. Shout out to Reggie and his crew. I did the UV curing, and Christian them are coming back today between noon and 1 to put all the furniture back, and she loves her floors. Floors came out amazing. Got the greatest finish on these floors and got them UV cure. So thank you guys again for watching. Now, me and Tavares, there's a lot of our furniture that the guys wrapped, put in the garage. And me and Tavares are actually about to head to Calhoun, which that job was also referred to us by a contractor. And we're also doing another floor this Thursday for a contractor that was referred to me by a contractor. And that contractor that referred me to that contractor was referred by a contractor. So we're about to shoot up to Calhoun. It's going to be about a 2-hour drive. Going to be doing a screen and recoat with the UV curing. And yeah, guys, these floors came out amazing. Also, we did the stairs and the entire upstairs. I'm not going to go up there. You saw it in the video. Tavares went up there to record, and floors came out amazing. All right, guys, nice and smooth, great finish, great results. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Look at that smile. She's just smiling. Thank you, Miss Jamie. Thank you. Also, too, guys, our in-home cleaner gave Miss Jamie 2 gallons because she have a maid service that cleans her homes. So I told her, that's another thing, too, guys. Do not use steam mops on your floor. Steam is pure vapors, okay? And that heat would deteriorate and weaken your finish. So just use nice neutral cleaners. I do have a cleaner that you can, people buy from me, and I give to all my clients. Or you can go to Amazon and do the Pro Citrus cleaner. All right, guys. See you in the next one.